The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Albany County in east central New York, southern Schenectady County in east central New York, northeastern Schoharie County in east central New York, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:03 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing nickel-sized hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Duanesburg to Bern to 15 miles west of Bern, or along a line from 9 miles south of Amsterdam to 14 miles southwest of Rotterdam to 9 miles southeast of Kobelskill, and moving east to 34 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Altamont by 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Rotterdam by 5:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Voorheesville by 5:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Gelderland and Cologne by 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Westerlo, Furbush and Delmer by 5:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Loudonville and Latham by 5:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This storm has a history of producing quarter-sized hail in Kobelskill and Schoharie County. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's #1 killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Please report hail size, damaging winds and reports of trees down to the National Weather Service by email at alb.stormreport@no.gov. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday evening for northern Connecticut and western Massachusetts and eastern New York and southern Vermont. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for the following counties: Albany, Schenectady and Schoharie.